Hello everyone. Welcome to Adu AI Verse. Today's topic is identifying emotional manipulation using critical thinking, a very important life skill. Have you ever felt pressured to say yes to something, even when you didn't want to? That is emotional manipulation. In this video, you will learn what emotional manipulation is, how people use emotions to control decisions, warning signs to identify manipulation, and how critical thinking can protect you. Let's begin. Our goal is to learn how to recognize when someone is using emotions to control our decisions. This happens everywhere: friendships, family, social media, workplace. Right finger key idea. Smart thinkers don't react immediately, they pause, analyze, and decide. Right finger example. If someone pressures you to lend money quickly, don't answer immediately. Think first. Emotional manipulation is often subtle, masquerading as normal conversation or concern. The key difference lies in the intention. Manipulation seeks control, not care. Understanding this distinction is crucial for protecting your decisions with critical thinking. Have you ever felt emotionally pressured to agree to something? Reflecting on such experiences can help you identify the emotions involved and whether you agreed or resisted. This self-awareness is a vital step in recognizing manipulation. Examples: lending money, sharing notes, joining a plan. Right finger, ask yourself, what emotion did you feel? Guilt? Fear? Pressure? This helps you identify manipulation. Let's examine a realistic scenario where emotional manipulation might occur. Consider the emotions being targeted and whether the request is fair or manipulative. Critical thinking questions can guide you in responding logically and assertively. In our scenario, guilt is the emotion being targeted. The manipulator aims to make you feel like a bad friend if you refuse. Recognizing this tactic is the first step in defending against emotional manipulation. Is the request fair or manipulative? In this case, it's manipulative, as emotional pressure is used to force agreement. Understanding the nature of the request helps you respond appropriately. Real friendship respects boundaries and accepts no as an answer. It doesn't rely on pressure or control. Identifying these signs helps distinguish genuine relationships from manipulative ones. A logical response to manipulation is calm and assertive, maintaining respect and setting boundaries. This approach protects your emotional well-being and reinforces healthy relationship dynamics. Manipulation is prevalent in daily life, affecting various relationships. Learning to identify and protect against it using critical thinking is essential for emotional protection and maintaining control over your decisions. Emotional manipulation involves using feelings like guilt, fear, and shame to control choices. Recognizing these tactics is crucial for defending against manipulative behavior and maintaining autonomy. Manipulation often follows patterns such as emotional pressure, self-doubt creation, blame shifting, and affection control. Being aware of these signs helps you identify manipulation as a recurring issue, not a one-time event. Emotional pressure involves forcing decisions through guilt or sympathy rather than polite requests. Critical thinking helps you discern whether a request is genuine or manipulative, protecting your autonomy. Manipulators may twist facts to make you doubt your own thinking, leading to confusion and loss of confidence. Recognizing this tactic is vital for maintaining trust in your judgment and decisions. Blame shifting involves avoiding responsibility and placing fault on others. Separating facts from blame is a critical thinking skill that helps you identify manipulation and hold the right parties accountable. Affection control. Studio microphone. They are nice when you agree, cold when you don't. Right finger, healthy relationships equals consistent respect.